Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and here we are in the beautiful city of Anaheim, California. Go ahead and turn this around, show you what we got. Okay, so condos and Halloween season. Okay, so it's engineered red oak right here. As you can see, it's got a couple of scratches here and there, nothing too major. Stuff's on the floor, so we're going to go ahead and sand all this down. Bring these transition pieces back to life. We're going to sand everything down and make this look brand new again. Guys should only be here a couple hours, so not too big of a job, but it's a one-day job. You see that scratch? I was like one of the main reasons they called. But yeah, this is what we're looking at, and so we'll get this thing sanded, we'll get it finished, get some finish on it, and we'll be here a couple hours. So everybody have a good day, and I'll do another video update in a couple hours. Take care, everybody.